Hey guys, I am Lisa and today I'm trying out this lash lift kit from PinkZio. The kit has everything that we need for the entire process. There's the information slip here that describes all the steps very clearly. We have these under eye patches. There's 4 different types of solution here. The step numbers are also mentioned on the bottle. Next we have this Y brush. These are the silicone eye shells, 3 sizes in here. We also have some applicator brushes here. And this is the lash glue. Now before getting started, let's take a look at my lashes. It's quite short, as you can see. I have never done any lash extension, perm or lift at salon or at home. This is how my natural lashes look like. I have also taken some Q-tips and some cotton pads for cleanup as well. Now let's get started, guys. So I will apply these eye shells to my under eye. Next I will apply the silicone shells to my eyelids. I will apply the lash glue to the inner side of the shield and apply it to my lids. Next, I will apply the same lash glue to the outer side of the shield and wait for 30 seconds. I will take the Y brush and push the lashes to the shield so that all the lashes will stick firmly to the shield. It's very important to make sure the lashes will stick properly. All done, guys. Next we'll move towards the perming lotion. This is the first lotion in the set. I will apply a thick layer of this lotion to my lashes with the applicator brush. Make sure to coat each and every lash from the roots. Get as close to the roots as possible safely. Don't get any products into your eyes. If anything gets into your eyes, immediately wash off with normal water and consult doctor. You can also apply this lotion with a Q-tip. All done, guys. For both my eyes, we will have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes here. It's been 15 minutes now. Before moving to the next step, I will lightly clean up this lotion with a Q-tip. Next is the setting lotion. This lotion is supposed to maintain the lash curl and shape. I will just apply this lotion to my lashes, a good thick layer, and we will have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Again, make sure to apply the lotion as close to the roots as possible, very safely. Do not get any product into your eyes. All done, and I will wait for 15 minutes. It's been exactly 15 minutes. I will move on to next step. It's the cleanup step now. But before moving forward, I will just remove some of the products with a Q-tip. Next, we have to apply the nutrition lotion to the lashes that will enrich, repair, and maintain healthy looking lashes. I will just wait for 5 minutes with this lotion. It's been 5 minutes, and I will remove the lashes from the shield with this Y brush. I will remove the shield from my eyelids. You can see how easily the shield came off, and there is no lash fallout whatsoever, not even a single lash. It's very easy, guys. See, not even a single lash. Next, I will apply the lash cleaner solution to clean my lashes and my eyelids with a Q-tip. I will clean up with a cotton pad. Do not rub the cotton pad on your eyes, just clean up in an upward motion so that no product enter your eyes. All done. The entire process took me around 40 minutes, and mostly because I did it for the first time. There's an instant lift to my lashes. My lashes look longer. You guys can clearly see the difference. I really like the lash lift kit, guys. It does really work. Highly recommended. The links will be in my description box if you guys wish to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this routine. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, bye bye.